Hi everyone and welcome back again. Last video I have shown how to download PyCharm. So until download then it's download here and now I want to install it and okay now I can click here. Mm. It's giving me this and then now I need to press on yes. I want to allow it. So it's give me this space here so I need to go to the now next then they showing me the name and this and I have to okay everything okay I have to put it the same place then addresses then I say add open folder as a project PyCharm community edition. Update continue menu. Okay, I want to just add open folder as a project and create association.py. I just will on it because the time I don't need to write after every file the .py, so I just click it here. Add bin folder, the paths. This is not needed. I don't want to do it now. Okay. So next. Now they are showing me this apps JetBeans accessibility, and it will be same. Now I can install it. It might be take some time. So we'll back after. It's almost finish. Almost finish. It depend on your internet connection or okay. Now it's finished. So after I install it. So whenever I just open it, I can see this kind of thing to show all in project. Maybe in your PyCharm, it will show you there's like a new project. That time you can just click on new project, then you can open a new project. Okay, because previously I have used this, so I just want to use that project. So every project you can open a different Python file. Project in new and file. Let's say you have to say Python file or you can open also package, but we're going to open Python file. So Python file, I just going to write the first program, first program. This is the first program. So in first program, I just want to show you how to print hello world. So Python is most easy language regarding syntax because uh, if you just know about Java programming, if you want to print something, you need to do many lines. But if here to print something, you just need to use only one function, that is print function, right? And print. Then after print, we want to print the hello world. Okay, so hello world is a string. I mean, it's a text. Okay, so whenever we are going to use the any string, so at the time we need to use the comma, double inverted comma, and I can write here the hello world, hello world. Then if we want to run it, okay, wait. I just want to run. I have to run here from here because the first time is the first program, so I have to run it here. Run the first program. So they say hello world. Let's say you want to say it as you name. Let's say I am MD any string. This time if I want to run it, just I am Mohammed Razal Karim. So this is for the printing function, anything in Python. And if you want to print anything that is not a string, for example, you want to print your age. Just age, no need to say anything, any name. Just like you are 22 years old. old. That's okay because it's not a string, so you don't need to put any double inverted comma or anything. This is for print anything in Python. Now I think it's so small here, so we want to show it the more because I want to zoom it first. So to zoom, we need to go to we need to customize some setting here. So what is the setting here? And I can say just like setting. After we come setting, you can do here many things. You can also change your theme. It's dark or blue. Just like you can click here and you can just change it. But I don't want to change there. I want to go to just editor first. So at editor, then I'll go to here, this general. Then here I can see the change font size with the control plus mouse while in. Okay, I just change here. Activity all editor I can say just like any kind of editor I can do it. Okay, then okay. Now if I want to control, if you press control and just if you scroll in your mouse, so you can just use it. But you have to press zoom. So I think until now it's okay. The size is okay. Now let's say I want to print this two line in one page, in one code, but it will be two lines. So I can write use there some black backslash. You know backslash I in programming, like if I say for new line backslash n, and then I just say my age 22. That time I don't need this. Okay. So if I want to run it, here I can just run. See, I'm result Karim and age 22. I need to just zoom out some. It is too big. So back selection. Now, let's say I want to print my name with double inverted comma. So if I want to use here backslash double quotation, sorry, double quotation here, and then backslash double quotation here. Just I don't want to use inside and I just want to delete it first. So if I run it, I'm Mohammed Razaul Karim. So for backslash n, okay, let's say I need to talk about something about comment in Python. For example, I want to note down something. So inside code, so comment is a text inside the editor that compiler always ignore. So in single line comment, uh, it's just only hash. Then if you write anything, it will be as a comment. So I can just I say for backslash n is equal to new line, and just now if I want to say the another backslash h, sorry, backslash uh, backslash double inverted comma is for print a double inverted, and I also have the backslash t. Backslash t means tab. In Python they use, sorry, mm, backslash t is for tab. So I will talk in details in the other videos about the backslash character. So now this is for single line, but if I want to uh, put this all notes in why I am using every line hash, I can also use the multi-line comment. Multi-line comment is like you have to just press three single quotation. Okay, and inside there, I just can write mm, backslash t, backslash t, backslash, and say backslash and new line. It's a multi-line comment. So if I run it again, just this is still print only this, because compiler always ignore the comment. And what is the benefit of our comment? What is the advantage of comment? Comment always increase the readability of a code. If anyone want to read your code, uh, so if you write comment, it will be easy for him to understand, and you can like write a side note during the coding time. So that's all until now, and thank you.